Hi there everyone, welcome back to the Gillanders Motors YouTube page. My name is Matthew. I'm currently masked up because I'm inside the showroom here at Kia at Gillanders in Peterhead. What I'm going to show you today is a fantastic system known as Apple Carplay that is integrated into almost every new car nowadays, whether it is, you know, the franchises that we've got, so such as Kia, Suzuki and MG, or if it is your BMW or your Audi or your Volkswagen or your Ford. It's in almost all of them. So I'm just going to show you how to use it. It's so easy, so simple to use, and the benefits of this is not having to get your sat nav updated, not having to faff around with your Bluetooth every time you're in the phone. And all you need to connect it is a USB cable for obviously iPhone on this occasion. If you want to watch the Android Auto video, it'll be in the pop-up banner up here, and then obviously any sort of iPhone. And we'll connect that there. Also, the benefits of Apple CarPlay is it does charge your phone as well as having it on. So all we have to do then is press there, and then I just have to unlock my iPhone, and that comes up there. So first things first, here is the screen you get. You can change the screen setting, so I can press this bottom right hand corner here, and then I can flick back to that like so. So benefits it does have is the ability to have hands-free phones. So if the car is on, I can then press the phone button, and then you've got your recents, your contacts, your keypad, things like that. We won't phone voicemail just now, I didn't mean to do that. And then a number of different music apps to play through your speakers. So you've got music, so well, this is just Apple Music, but then you do have things like Spotify, Deezer, SoundCloud, what else is there? Shazam. So multiple music apps that you can use, as well as map, so sat navs. So you've got Google Maps, Apple Maps, things like Waze. I like Waze. Waze is a good one. And then you've got your calendar, so with your events, things like that. So it is a very, very, very clever system with a lot of benefits and functionality. Spotify as well, you've got a whole Spotify system in here, so you can search for songs. You've got all your playlists, etc, etc. And the Michelle Obama podcast there, which is a highlight of my day, listening to that on the drive to work in the morning. So that is Apple CarPlay. Not really much more to it, really. Do not disturb while driving is also an option there as well, and then you can change the appearance as well to automatic or always dark. Obviously it's going to be always dark at the moment because it is dark outside. So thank you very much for watching, hope you've enjoyed, and like I say, you can watch our Bluetooth Android Auto videos all up here just by clicking the pop-up banner. All our tutorials will be in there. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. Goodbye.